Welcome to the first video where we will be showing you how we are remaking our layout in the hobby shop in Cape Town. So we'll take you through various phases of how we build the demo layout that we have in the shop at present. So we start with some plywood, just normal 9mm plywood that we put out on a wooden frame on our table where the old layout was. There you can see it, screwed the wood down, give it a nice secure base for us to do everything on. We'll be using also a Marklin. We're using this Marklin digital set to start up with it. It comes with the oval track, the power supply, and the controller. This is what we are using as the demo. We've put in a siding and a little off-ramp at the back over there, just to give a basic Marklin setup on the inside track. There we go. And obviously there's loads of track plans you can choose from the various Marklin starter sets, or you could just Google and look up various kinds of layouts that you can do. But this is just to show you how to get started, especially on the digital system. So we've just set it all up, just made sure we've got power to the tracks, and everything works great. And we put two curved points in to give us the siding, because we'd like to have it siding the station there. On our outside track, we're going to be running a normal DC system with Peco set track, and there you can see the set pieces. Probably need about 6 pieces on each side for the semicircles, and we've made it a bit longer with straight pieces inside to make it a nice long oval that will go around the outside of the Marklin track, just to show the two different kinds of systems. On the outside, we're using that Woodland scenics incline. It comes up in various degrees of incline. You can see it slowly building up the outside track as the incline increases more and more towards the highest point, which is at the back of the layout over there. And on top of the incline, we've put on some cork, and on top of the cork, we've put the track, the Peco track, going around there, giving us a nice oval on the outside. The cork can be glued down by some uhu, general purpose glue, or you can use wood glue. It takes a little bit longer, and you can see we put pins in around to hold the cork in place while it dries. So there we go. So there we have the layout. The outside's been laid out, and the oval track, and on the inside marked track, we've inclined the tracks a bit, and we've put some foam down where we want the terrain to be a bit different. Put in a little bridge in the back over there. So play around and get some sort of an idea of how everything will lie out later.